Hi guys, welcome back to Love Cooking with Tohfa. Today we're going to make a quick and easy snack. It is boiled egg salad. You can actually have this on toast or you can have it on salty cracks, cream crackers, whatever you call it. Here I have 4 boiled eggs, normal boiled eggs. I cut it up. There's no rules to how you must cut your egg. You can use the same utensil used to mash potatoes, or you can use a fork. That's entirely up to you. I have quarter of an onion cut up. Also no rules on how you should cut your onion. You can actually slice it if you want to. So I'm just adding that in here. Salt and pepper to taste. And we're also adding in some crushed chilies, of course. Go. Crushed chilies, and you can double up, the ingredients depending on how many eggs you are going to make. And I have some yellow bell pepper, robot pepper, that I also just, like I said, no rules on how you should cut your vegetables or your egg. You can do it according to how you like it. And then we're also going to add in some mayonnaise. When it comes to the mayonnaise, you can decide on the consistency of your egg salad. And then you just mix it in. You can also add in some cucumber or fresh chilies if you want to, but just remember to scrape out the middle of the cucumber because that will make your egg salad watery. Serve it as a snack, or you can even eat it on toast, and I will show you mine is going to look like when I serve.